What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Bluetooth headphones are not properly connecting to your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, toggle the Bluetooth option off on your Android device. Toggle it back on after a couple of seconds, and then enable pairing mode on your Bluetooth headphones. This requires that your headphones are charged and that you know how to start the pairing mode. In most cases, you'll be required to hold the Bluetooth button on your device until a light starts flashing. When this is done, swipe your notification panel down and locate this Bluetooth icon. Hold the icon, then select the gear icon next to your Bluetooth device. In your settings, locate the Unpair option and select it. This will remove the device. After removing your Bluetooth headphones from this list, you can try to reconnect them. If the issue persists, try connecting your Bluetooth headphones to another device to ensure the problem isn't related to your device's Bluetooth capabilities. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.